everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to unblock someone on Roblox. If you want to unblock a contact that you've previously blocked on your Roblox account, then follow along till the end. First of all, open up your Roblox application on your mobile device, or you can also do this on a web browser. Simply go to roblox.com and sign into your account. Either way, once you're signed in, go ahead and look for the More button at the bottom right corner, and from the More menu, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. Inside the Privacy and Content Restrictions, look for Blocked User and tap on it. You will be able to see a list of contacts that you've blocked. Simply go ahead and tap the Unblock button right next to the contact and confirm by tapping on Block once again. Soon after you do that, the person will now be unblocked from your list. Unblocking someone allows them to send you messages, friend you again, or join your game if your privacy setting allows it. That's how you unblock someone on Roblox. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.